Morning, guys. No, we're not in this trade. It's a very volatile morning. Yeah, the 6:30 open is pretty. It's being pretty violent this morning. Keep him. New settings? No. Same settings. Same settings. We're in between the daily and yesterday's daily close. So, I'm just following the rules. If it's not telling me to do something, the only thing that I would be looking for from NASDAQ are valid sells. Until it breaks above my stepped moving average and daily VWAP, because these are the filters that I have on. Other than that, I wouldn't trade. That's how simple that gets. Good morning, good morning. I said only sells because one, negative 100 points for pre-market. We have 50 points on Dow. July USD, this is at 11 a.m. Morning. So the reason why I said I was only looking for sells was because I'm following the rules of the system. We have a buy right now. You guys can see it broke above the stepped moving average, broke structure, right? We got the buy signal. You can take the buy. But it says choppy, it hasn't broken out of the chop. It's not about the price, it's about the filters that we have on it. So the criteria has to meet. For example, if I just press don't enter, this buy signal disappears because we're in a chop. You know what I mean? So it has to exit the chop. It has to break above the step moving average. It has to, you know what I'm saying? It has to be confluence. So we can see we're at the daily close and it bounced, right? Daily close bounced up and then we're bouncing back up. So that buy signal I gave you guys are in profit right now. About to hit TP1. I feel like I should leave it alone as well, but you know, freaking the people wanted to see what we do, what we can do on a news day. So here we go. All right, you guys should be in profit. We're in a buy, Papa. I told you guys I wouldn't risk so much on these trades today because we are in news. You get what I mean? So keep that in mind. You can see it's bouncing off that daily VWAP. In all honesty, I'd exit this position. I don't feel like the buying pressure is high enough. But we are still in profit. I do feel like it will actually end up breaking up. We're above the midline. I had gotten in a little earlier on a smaller account, and I'm in some nicer profits. Nice profit, couple $100. So here are our levels for the morning. Basically, I'm looking for it to break 12,080 or break below 11,926 before I even start looking for any type of signal. Those are our pre-market levels. That's a high and a low there. Knowing that there's news coming, those are the levels I'm looking at. NASDAQ looks ugly. Yeah. It's not being nice at all. Yep. 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 Yep, I'm in the sell. Told you guys I was only looking for sells based on what the algo is telling me. So, I'm in the sell. The 5 moving, I don't use the 5 moving average, bro. What do I do to get context for bias direction? I don't really have a bias direction. I just check where I'm at in comparison to the daily VWAP and structure. That's it. And then I look at the watch list to see where the corresponding stocks to NASDAQ and or US 30, what exactly are they doing, how they're performing, to understand if they're going to do well. So we cleared 25 points for the morning so far. Do I use the Dawn? Not at the moment. I use the Sigma. I told you what the game plan was, guys. I'm staying consistent with one system at a time, and then I will progress into the older and newer systems. So that way, when I see people profitable with one, I can give you guys a new one. The Dawn's still there though. The Dawn actually got a pretty good upgrade. I just haven't released it yet. Haven't spoken about it. Haven't used it because, you know. Yep, I want to make sure people are profitable, bro. That's all it's been about. Making sure y'all know how to make this chicken. Yeah, I told you guys, don't risk a lot, man. You can see we're in the chop. I'm not touching this shit until it crosses the pre-market highs and lows. So it will be around 12,080 or below 11,926. Money, we'll get our time, man. We'll get our time. I appreciate it, though. I'm not tripping on it. You know what I'm saying? Share the video, like it, comment. That's all I can ask for. And the YouTube algorithm will pick it up. That's how that works. You know? The YouTube algorithm will pick it up. All you gotta do is make sure you like, comment, spam the YouTube channel, comments and likes. Send it to your friends, send it to whatever group chats that you're in. Share it on Instagram. If you made some profits, tag me. You know what I'm saying? I can, you know. That's all I can ask for. You know, if you enjoy my lives, you made some profits with me, share the profits on Instagram. Tag me at Dallin King at Money Moves Investments. Like this video, share it with whatever group chats that you're in. You know? That's all I can ask for. And if you do, I appreciate you, man. For real. I try not to force the issue when it comes to things like that. Let it happen naturally. I appreciate you. Oh my God, my arm. Gotta go to the chiropractor. Yes, I do. Well, it also depends where I'm at in terms of the box. For example, this was at 530 at the top of the range. This was a perfect entry. When you get a buy signal in the middle of the range, that's what you don't want because you're looking at the high and the low of the previous session. So this was the high of London, right? This is the low of London currently at 545. So if I get a buy signal directly in the middle, you know, it's not really a strong buy signal, especially when I'm looking at the market. I'm looking at the algo and I'm below my daily VWAP, that which is the volume of the daily candle, and then I'm also below my stepped moving average. I told you guys to get in, But then as soon as I saw, get out, you know what I'm saying? Because if I had the chop filter on, this would even print. So, like for example, if we got a buy right here at this daily close, right? This would have been a good entry to hit to the top for a counter trend trade. But I don't trade counter trend. So I told you guys when you got on, I'm only looking for sells based on the setup. Daily, underneath the step moving average. And at that point, we were on the 630 impulse. If it's going to impulse up, it's going to correct down. So that's what we're seeing now. It corrected down, and now it's in the middle of its range, and the chop is real. You know what I mean? So I scalped in between, and I left it alone. You know what I mean? Like a couple $100, and then left it alone. The real trade doesn't happen until it breaks out of there, breaks out of that range. And the unfortunate part about it is that the range is long, and those candles that created those ranges are huge as well. So the candles themselves have long wicks, and they're big candles. They broke structure here, rejected from the top here. So you can see here, that's level, rejected. So that's where our low is at. Then you can see this is obviously the high. And then we're getting that downward momentum, right? So we'll gain this downward slant towards Asian session. London session is when it broke. 5 o'clock in the morning on the start of New York session, it dropped on the overlap. Then the long wick here, small body, and then you have the new candle, dojoing up. So we're in the middle of all of this, and we just need to figure out in which direction we're gonna go. And I'm actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this as a filter as well, pre-market session, pre-market highs and lows, and if it's in between, it won't print any signals. Welcome, my brother. Welcome, Devon. Welcome. Appreciate you, man. I'm here. You know, like I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys. And it's been nothing but love, and I want to tell you from the bottom of my fucking heart, man. Thank you for the support. You know what I'm saying? It helps go a long way in terms of the morale and getting shit up and running. You know what I mean? I'm not a very sentimental, but I feel the love all the time, especially after these calls. I'm sure people are happy when you make money, So, that's it. Where in the settings is those daily levels? They're not in the settings yet. I will be adding them. I'll be adding them to the algo, so they will plot accordingly for you guys. And then I'll also add it as a filter so like it won't show any signals. So you have a chop and then the chop. So those are the pre-market levels. So that means like the London overlap before 630 levels into New York. Also, guys, be sure to check out the broker link in the description, Hero FX. 1 point spread US 30, 4 point spread on NASDAQ, 0 spread on everything else, very low commissions. Like I pay like 80 cents in commissions. Sometimes the max is like $6 in commissions on my bigger lots, right? So be sure to check out HeroFX in the link description. That's also where I have all the copy traders. So the Forex copy trader will be going live next week, where it's free. It's in the broker. You can sign up to it. Every Forex trade gets taken on your account, and then Cookie, one of my students, she does our London session calls, and she sends out London session trades. She will be opening up a copy trader as well. So any trade that she takes for London sessions will be there, and you can connect to her account accordingly. So that one isn't set up just yet. We're gonna set it up this weekend, but be sure to sign up to that, to HeroFX, so that way when I do announce it, it will be easy for you. Welcome. Tesla's up 10, so I think that's what's pushing it. But like I said, that's a pretty large candle in the middle of a chop, hitting the recent high, about to touch the daily VWAP in a downward slant. So the VWAP, if you guys see, is kind of acting like a trend line. So is the stepped moving average. So there's something that I look at is, it's like I draw a trend line. Boom, high, high, high. So you can see, boom, here, here, and here. So if you're seeing these buys, right? I said to get in on this buy because of that 630 momentum. So there was a possibility that it may just keep going. Didn't happen. Told you guys to get out. You got in the sell. We made TP1. It was good. Now, we're getting another buy signal, and it's bouncing off this step moving average. You're also in this downward. You're also below this daily VWAP, as you guys can see here. I don't have the stricts on for that. I have the stricts on for the steps moving average, but it broke the step moving average. So that's why you're getting this buy signal printed. But if this candle were to close underneath that step moving average, like down here, it will actually, this buy signal wouldn't print. So yeah, so like I said, I am not taking any signals until it breaks above these highs and lows. And if it doesn't break below or above the high and low, I don't trade today. It's pretty simple. But you can see, right? Like as it started breaking above, you got the buy signal came back. So I wouldn't be taking this buy signal. But if you feel like, first of all, let's confirm with our oscillators, right? So we are above, we're in a buy situation. So you can scalp, right? We're 25 points in profit. Maybe you want to scalp back up. I just wouldn't. That's not my recommendation. If we already are in HeroFX, yeah, 100%. It's just for new people. New people. Just letting them know. I haven't even made a video about HeroFX on the YouTube channel. I actually need to add that to the list. Let me actually do this. I need to add the link to the Discord channel, Discord, in the descriptions of the lives. I always forget to do so. For those that want, I had a sale early on this week for 4th of July as well. So technically it ended Wednesday, but I had some people ask and needed a day or two to get their funds together. So if anyone else is interested, right, I do the lifetime bundle, which comes with everything, meaning like all of my systems. It comes with the EA, the copy trader, all my signal strats, everything I have to offer for $3,000 lifetime. I knocked off $1,000 for 4th of July. So right now lifetime is going for $2K. And I'll extend it till Monday for those that needed to get, because it was, first of the month, stuff like that. And people reached out. Or I have the EA lifetime for $500 at the moment as well. The EA lifetime will be going for $1,800 lifetime. Upon official release, which I will announce on Monday, right? Because the whole thing is done. It will be $900. But if you guys are interested in the EA, it's $500 lifetime. But the EA is also part of the bundle, the monthly subscription. So I give you guys a lot of options. No, so Hero FX does crypto at the moment, right? So that's what allows it to not have those type of issues. So for example, if you're using Coinbase, if you're using PayPal, using Cash App to withdraw your Bitcoin, you would do it through that process. You would withdraw it to your Cash App, you would withdraw it to whatever, and then you would transfer it to your bank account. So no, you wouldn't have that issue. Like I said, if you guys are in this buy, I would suggest getting out. I don't think we're gonna see anything move until that the FMC meeting. Does the lifetime EA cover all EAs or just the Sigma? Just the Sigma, because that's the only EA you need. Because the Sigma EA has everything that you need in it. It's on MT5, so it can pass funding challenges. It has a drawdown protection, asymmetric compounding, news filter, has everything that you have in here. Auto trade management for break even, stuff like that. It does everything automatically, absolutely everything. Drawdown filter. Yeah. All right, so in the description, I put my website, the broker, and the Discord, so you guys can go and tap in. If you guys aren't part of the Discord already, make sure you join the Discord, because there's a lot of love that goes in the Discord, and everyone shows a lot of love. Everyone helps each other. You get all my updates in real time. Starting next week will be all these signals sent automatically to the chat. So for any reason I won't be able to make a live call, which will happen maybe once or twice. I'm gonna try to maintain my schedule while I'm in the Dominican Republic playing. There would still be signals sent to you guys like that. Okay, so that's something I wanted to make sure I handled with you guys. Make sure you guys made some money automatically when I'm gone. You know what I mean? But I'm not gonna make it a habit of not showing up to a live. It's only really when I know that, you know, maybe the schedule is not working in my favor. Have a good weekend, Brody. Thank you for joining anyway. Haven't missed anything yet, Ruby. Just going over a few updates, waiting for our breakout to happen. If you guys were still in that buy, I mean, you're in profit. Tesla's up 17 points, so we might be getting a little bit momentum in here. Jeez. There's one more piece of news, right? What do you mean? In terms of me or in terms of the market? If you guys were in that buy, you hit TP1. Oh yeah, it's the FMC. That's a piss off. All right, we got our break above. I'm taking my final profit at 12,131. Or 12,130 just to be even. Let's end the week strong, man. We technically only lost one trade this week, but made it back in blood. So you know what? I'm going to just say we won every day. We made money every day. Every fucking day we made bread. We won every day. It's alright, you live and you learn, right? You just have to keep following rules. Just keep following rules, brother. That's not what we're about to do. We're not doing that. That's not what we're doing. Get out of here. We're here to learn. Like I said, guys, if you enjoy these lives, comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you post it on Instagram, tag me at Dalian King and also at Money Moves Investments. Want to get the Instagram presence up, show the world that we actually, practice what we preach. I greatly appreciate all that. So yeah, TP3 is at 12,137. Okay, I keep it flat, so like when it says, 12,087.3, I just leave it at flat without the decimals. All right, so. There's something I wish I knew before I started trading. Discipline. Because trading came fairly easy to me in terms of how it worked. I kept losing because I got greedy, because I wasn't disciplined. I didn't follow my own rules I had to create. Sometimes I thought I knew more than the systems that I built. So as you guys see, I don't do anything that the systems don't tell me to do. When you guys ask me certain things, I literally go, what is the system telling you to do? Because if you're going to ask me something, you might as well just ask the system, because that's who I listen to. I don't listen to myself. So yeah, discipline. Because trading is fairly easy. If you actually think about the skill of trading, it's easy. The ideology of learning how to trade, how the market moves, it's easy. It only goes one or two ways, up or down. How you decide how you want to learn how it goes up and down, or when to enter, is up to you. But that's why you create systems with those rules in place once you figure that out. So yeah. Wow, guys. Are you making money? Are you making the moolah? Because we're making the moolah. $86 points in profit. Chicken extra crispy. You know the vibes. Let me get bacon and get cheese. Yeah, I wish they had that in fucking California, yo. They don't got no bodegas. They don't got none of this. California corny. You know what I'm saying? They don't know, no Aki stores, nothing, B. Like, I can't get I gotta make my own bacon, egg, and cheese. That shit blowing minds every day. Every day I wake up like, yo, I wish I had a bacon, egg, and cheese. Nah. Niggas wanna give you a bacon, egg, and cheese with a fucking poached egg with fucking oregano on top of the shit. I hate California. Sorry, I'm going off on my own head. I just thought about it because I'm hungry as hell. We hit. Facts. 90 points in profit. If you feel comfortable with your profit, collect your profit now. Or you can wait till the full TP. We have the beaches and mountains. Ask me the last time I went, oh, you know what? Let me go to a mountain and enjoy myself. Fuck out of here. I am from New York, man. We don't fuck with mountains. I'll be sending the new EA today. Over the weekend, you'll be having new EA videos. The EA update will be uploaded today after this call. And all that jazz. Yesterday was just a pretty rough day in terms of getting everything done, but I'll be making mountains of steel and cement. Yeah, the only shit that makes sense. Yes, it works on stocks and options. Everyone say they have a New York spot. New York's, they always say that. Then when I go over there, the shit tastes California as hell. Shit be blowing minds. I don't trade crypto, period. So Nat says screw the sell. Yeah. It was probably the fundamentals that kicked in. But we follow the rules. I just do what this thing tells me to do. So, alright guys. So that's my trade for the morning. Okay. Do we have any questions before I jump off? Our next live will be Monday. So, any last questions before I get off for the morning and get to work? All right. Love everybody. Remember, all the links are in the description. Discord, Hero FX, also the website. Holla at me if you need me. I see you guys Monday.